Hi guys, before starting this video, a right of the people is come from the right of the vote to what they're having. A people decides the future, present, has past by the one vote, the one hand that we press, and whom do we elect as a keep as a leader to run this entire state, something but the entire country. So it's all depend upon the political people, the political leader who have vision and ideology to take and go this country to the better nation. So has to set this done. Um, Now, as you guys know, the everywhere censorship topic is going nothing but the fake oaths and the duplicate oaths and addresses and the faces and the IDs. Lot of things I want to discuss about in the next few of the videos. So there's nothing but I want to talk to the detail about this. You guys will be knowing that the Rahul Gandhi made a speech in Bangalore that become a much more wider reach so that people are coming to know that these are the duplicates and fake oaths where people are unknowingly getting into the identity. So let us know what is fully about the issue. The people who could not understand the full 1 hour speech given by Rahul Gandhi, I will simplify and tell you the two speeches which is given by Rahul Gandhi. So entitled that these fake oaths made the Indian nation and electronics, the election system to get corrupted. So hi guys, my name is Darshan. Welcome to YouTube channel Maybe Squad. Before watching my video, subscribe my channel and watch my older videos also to have a better information content and entertainment content also. So not more to this, let's begin the video. Before getting into the actual video, I want to show a small description. Nothing but here I'm not going to discriminate any political party or I'm not supporting any political party. I just came with the facts which told by a person of opposition leader and to tell you guys that this all happening in our country. So no bias, no stance, both the sides. Just a public opinion. As a democracy, as a Indian person, I just want the right of the Indian constitution law. I'm down below that. I just want to speak the truth and the facts what they are given by. I'm not going to take any imaginary figures or words to tell you guys. So people who doesn't know or people who are coming in the field of future like know about politics, there's nothing but the two main political party. There's nothing but INC and BJP. INC nothing but Indian National Congress, BJP nothing but Bharatiya Janata Party. So these two political parties only ruling the most. The alliance parties also. But further, if you go for other state, they are having some. In South you go for Telugu, there is some TD there. And if you go for Tamil Nadu, you find DMK, the Terminator Kalagam. And if you go for different state, they are having the one political party in the state. But the major parties, two parties, was Indian National Congress, one is BJP, which aligns with other parties also to get the majority seat in Lok Sabha. So, not go to detail in that, but you guys need to know what's basic about the election, how it works. A person who's article franchise, nothing but who's 18 and above can vote for the Prime Minister or the MLAs or the ministers who are standing for the Constitutional Assembly. Now, here was the biggest trick happened. So Rahul Gandhi came to the Bangalore yesterday, so and gave a speech for the media, stating that all the proofs and the fraud things what other political party, not even BJP, doing this. So the first thing he told is, a country foundation is nothing but the vote. The right of vote is a country's foundation. The nowadays people, election commission also playing with the right of the vote. Because of that, a lot of things has been um, changing the entire country. So the first thing, and after that thing, he said about the Maharashtra. The first reason he quotes for Maharashtra place, it's nothing but the Maharashtra is you guys see know that Maharashtra is the where the city of Mumbai also is there. So in that place of Maharashtra, um, out of five, there are new voters. Like new voters means the people are coming newly to vote the election system, right? Election, right? So there are out of 5 years, within the 5 months, new majority of votes has been came in Maharashtra alone itself. You guys can see here. I'll put a photo, free video here, So you guys can watch that thing of the proof. Well, I'm not telling the hypothesis. I'm just telling the what the fact given by Rahul Gandhi so for here. So the second quote was actually was a much more in depth what he's going to say. So nearly 1 lakh fake votes has been done by the BJP government to have the majority seats in the parliament. It's nothing but next second quote. I'm going to tell this thing only with a lot of figures, lot of numbers, a lot of things you guys will not understand, but I will make simplify that you guys will understand, and a lot of people can share also when you say this thing. This is what the king the other political party did. So watch carefully and listen carefully what I'm telling also. Before that, Rahul Gandhi actually sir did actually um got not get this election commission that voters list as soon as possible because there are a lot of other internal issues also, so that he got get. But later, after a lot of demand other things, he got finally nearly 7 feet of the papers. So basically he says that this one, if my name or appears in the voter list, same my name, address and the phone number, other things details should not list in other voter or 7 feet. You guys can see here, or 7 feet of this papers. One paper also my name should not be listed only, except the one name is already listed in one paper. So this is what the Rahul Gandhi and his team, nearly 40 of them members was searching about it, and later they found nearly 1 lakh of fake votes was done. Just imagine, for example, my name was repeated for 1,000 times in this uh, other paper list. Uh, this will be nearly 1 lakh father names. So this is what's coming to say. So next, nothing but the Bangalore. So he comes, as I said, he come to the Bangalore. He talks about the and one second, another thing I want to say, Congress has won in the Bangalore, like the whole Karnataka. They're the ruling party here. So, but he comes and says that, mm, but I am not saying that he because he won he's got not saying, but I'm coming to say there's nothing. Votes were duplicated. So nothing but he comes to the Bangalore and he tells a press conference that you guys can see here after now I said the figure numbers will come. So nothing but uh, both Congress and BJP has won six. Congress only won 6,26,208 votes, and BJP won 6,58,915 votes. Where between these both, out of that, say only 16 assemblies. So 16 assembly constitution. Nothing but out of a lot of assemblies, like 3-4 areas called one assemblies, so that the vote like to not get confused from each area, because there are a lot of areas. You go to Kepuram, Havlali, or Batrali, Chansandra, Seamsandra, or ITP. You go a lot of places are there, different area. So not get confused. The whole area called one assembly, and this among this one area or assembly, one among this area, one assembly. So out of 16 assembly, 9 assembly won by the Congress government. So as I said before, it's Rahul Gandhi sir, Rahul Gandhi sir actually took out of this 9 assembly, he took one assembly. It's not called Madhepura. So Madhepura is nothing but he's near my home only, just 2 kilometers away. Uh, that assembly he took, and just analyzing about the voters who had done that. So before that, as I said, Congress nearly 6 lakh and BJP over 6 lakh. So change, and you guys can see here, and margin of 30,707 votes they have won actually. Who BJP have been won. But here, only Madhepura constitution, you guys next way, your photo if I see that. Madhepura, Congress has won 1,15,586 votes, and BJP has 2,29,632 votes. And out of that margin, the one lakh 14,046 votes. Out of a huge margin, right? 1/4 of the vote, I mean the 6,58,915 votes. Out of that, one 2 lakh vote has been came from the one constitution called Madhepura. So this is what the real suspects are for Rahul Gandhi and his team, and started investigating that. Finally found that nearly 1,250 votes were stolen. Nothing but it was fake vote. So it was nothing but There's another chart here. So duplicate was nearly 11,655 and fake ID of 40,000 mine votes and bulk of single address. So nothing but same my address only. For nearly 10,452 people has been registered in my address only. Same Aadhaar card, same address, 10,000 people have been registered and invalid photos. Their photos were small, minute, and you can't even see that photos existed, or some some photos were so minute that they can't even identify that who's the person. So really 4,532 fake votes and misuse of Form 6.
And now we come to the most interesting, which is really the where the game is played. You've heard that new voters vote for the Prime Minister. You've heard that said, right? So Naina, now I'll show you how. So there is something called Form 6. 33,692 voters are registered here. This basically is anybody who wants to vote for the first time can use this list. There's a lady called Shakun Rani, 70-year-old. And you see a very interesting thing here. She appears twice on the voter list. She comes in using form first name, Shakun, surname Rani. Now look at her picture. That's a picture. Now go to the other picture. Look at the picture. So this is essentially a zoomed in picture that they've taken, and this is now suddenly a new voter. But
Rahul Gandhi has saw that team has analyzed that nearly 1 lakh for Congress and 2 lakhs are changed for the BJP, and where the 1 lakh from change has been, as you guys here, they want margin. So this were actually suspect card, and they checked and they checked the verified this thing. Nearly 11,000 people were duplicated photos and other things. You guys likely can see here how much 40,000, 4,000 and 33,000. So as you guys see here, this all things which are the forgery by the, and this claim that BJP government has been done this thing. That's why the whole Congress and the Rahul Gandhi are claiming that the election has been done fraud, because the election commission and the BJP are collaborating together and doing this dirty work, that foundation of a cup for democracy they are going to break, and there's because that they are going to will. So people out there, I just want to say one thing. I'm not supportive of anything. Just want to say about the facts with Rahul Gandhi. So I already told. I just want to simplify and clarify you, because of the one assembly you can get multiple votes. There are a lot of states where unhidden truth helping should not come out. Just share to your friends and say that this is what happened. Big one constitutional assembly they can fake so many numbers. Why not other state or other talks constitutional assembly in different state can't be faked, or they can multiplied. So this is what happened in Bangalore, and this one of the issue the Rahul Gandhi sir told. But there are a lot of issue he also quoted in the whole podcast. I mean the whole speech. If you guys want to make that also, so comment a speech. I will surely make another video out of that. Guys, subscribe so that maybe you guys maybe just one subscribe, but for me to motivate every day to make other videos and make to share for you guys in easier way. So thank you guys. See another video.